Let us continue with the type of web mining. The first type of web mining we are studying is web content mining. A website is designed in the form of pages with a distinct URLs. Every web page will be assigned a different URL, that universal resource locator. Uh, yeah. And a large website may contain thousands of web pages. So very good website or large website, it can contain a thousand of web pages with different information. These pages and their content is managed using specialized software system called content managed system, CMS, content managed system. So since a huge number of web pages will be there on the website, so someone should be there to monitor and to manage. So that system software is called content management system. Every page can have text, graphics, audio, video, forms, applications, and more kinds of content, including user generated content. Uh, every page can have based on the requirements or category of the web pages, it can have a text, graphics, audio, video, forms, applications, and other kind of contents, including user generated. The websites keep a record of all requests received for its page or URLs, including the requester information using cookies. So website can also record all the requests received from the different web pages or URLs, including the requester information using cookies and all these things. The log of these uh, request could be analyzed to gauge the popularity of those pages among different segments of the population. The log of these requests could be analyzed to gauge the popularity of. So based on how many users have visited any web pages, the popularity of the web pages can be analyzed, and it can be used for different information. The next, the text and application content on the pages could be analyzed for its usage by visit counts. The text and application content on the pages could be analyzed for its usage by visit counts. So by seeing the number of people have visited any web pages, their popularity and usage can be analyzed. The pages on the website themselves could be analyzed for quality of content that attracts most users. So any web page on the website, they themselves can analyze the quality of content of web page, which can attract most users. Thus, the unwanted or unpopular web pages could be weeded out, or they can be transformed with different content and styled. If it is not popular, it can also be updated. It can be added with more contents, more informative contents, more attractive contents. It can be used. Similarly, more resources could be assigned to keep the more popular pages more fresh and inviting. Uh, more resources could be assigned to keep the more popular pages So more resources it can be assigned, it can be used, it can be added to the web pages to make it more popular. Second one is web structure mining. The web the web works through a system of hyperlinks using the hypertext protocol, HTTP. How the web pages works? It works on a protocol, that hypertext protocol. So it contains it works on the hyperlinks, like one web page will be linked with another web page using some URL. So any page can create a hyperlink to any other page it can be linked to by another page. So suppose from a website, from one page you want to go to another page. So another page link will be present on the first web page. If you click that link, then you that the second web page will be opened. So this is called the hyperlink. The intervened or self-referral nature of web lends itself to some unique network analytical algorithm. So it is intervened or interlinked self-referral nature of a web lends itself to some unique network analytical algorithm. So some algorithm is used. It uses some unique algorithm which can use the self referral nature, and it can also link with another web page. The structure of web pages could also be analyzed to examine the pattern of hyperlinks among pages. The structure of web pages could also be analyzed to examine the pattern of hyperlinks among web pages. The structure of web pages can also be analyzed based on like hyperlinks or pages, popularity of web pages which it is linking. There are two basic strategic models for successful websites. One is hubs and another is authorities. So what is hub? So hubs are nothing but these are pages with a large number of interesting links. So it is pages with a huge number of links. They serve as a hub or a gathering point where people visit to access a variety of information. Media sites like yahoo.com or government site would serve that purpose. More focused sites like traveladvisor.com and yelp.com could aspire to becoming hubs for new emerging areas. Like hubs can be websites where large number of links, interesting links will be there, like yahoo.com, gmail.com, or any government sites, or traveladvisor.com, and uh, uh, all this makemytrip.com and all those things are there. So these websites will be called hubs. Authorities. Ultimately, people would gravitate towards pages that provide the most complete and authoritative information on a particular subject. So, of course, people will try to access the web page or website more and more, which gives the authoritative information and on a particular subject. This could be factual information. It should be fact. It could be a fact news, advice, user reviews, etc. These websites would have the most number of inbound